For this assignment, I looked at 3 different websites from 3 different companies. The first one is a cinematographer named Patrick Lawyer. He's pretty awesome. His website is patricklawyer.com. The second is a production company based in Atlanta called Fugo Studios, and that's their website, fugostudios.com. And lastly, the website is ecgproductions.com, which is also based out in Atlanta. The first website I looked at is Patrick Lawyer's website, and that's patricklawyer.com. What works well about his website is that it's very simple and easy to understand. This site makes you feel like you found what you're looking for. It's very professional and very easy to understand. I believe that it aligns with the organizational goal because there are not any questions I have after I visit the site. Everything is laid out very nice. I know everything is, and all the questions that come up are answered just from browsing the site. The interface is very intuitive because it is just a simple one-page website, and the user naturally just scrolls down, and that's where all the information is revealed as you scroll down. The site reflows flawlessly to mobile because it is just simply one page. The same page that is viewable on the desktop applications are the same on all the mobile devices. I would not enhance any of the functionality of this website because it is designed to be very simple, and that's exactly what it is, simple. Adding anything to it would just add clutter, and it seems that the entire web page would have to be redesigned if any more information was added to it. As far as aesthetics go, the only thing I would change would be the title when you first see the page. The title says his name, and it does not look modern or sleek as his web page shows us. Fugo Studios, and that's spelled F-U-G-O Studios.com. The color scheme and overall layout works very well for this site. This site makes me feel cool, smart, and confident because of the red highlight colors it uses for all the important information. It's very easy to understand, and it is very current and feels modern. The interface is very intuitive because it is designed with a familiar layout. All important information pops up first, the menu items are listed across the top, and as I scroll down, more information becomes available. This site also reflows to mobile devices very well because it is designed to look exactly the same on desktop computers as well as mobile devices. So therefore, there are no differences in what the site looks like physically on either or. I'd enhance the functionality of this site by adding some side menus to the desktop version. The web pages are pretty long because it has extensive information, and it gets tiresome having to scroll all the way down the page on a desktop computer. As far as aesthetics go, there are only a few things that I would change, and that is mainly dealing with the titles. All the titles seem to blend in just a little bit into the background and could probably use some type of solid background behind it so it could stand out but still blend into the overall concept. The third site that I visited is another production company based out of Atlanta, Georgia, ecgproductions.com. What works well about this site is that it is very easy to navigate through, and it gives great information about ECG Productions. The site makes me feel like they know what they're doing. The material they present is of high quality, and it shows they know the process of making a movie. The user interface is easy to follow. There is a lot of information on the site, but it's easy to find what you're looking for. The mobile version is very similar to the desktop version. There aren't any added features for viewing it on either platform. I would not enhance the functionality of this site. It presents the necessary information about ECG Productions, and it is very easy to follow. The aesthetics of this website does not need to be enhanced or changed. It fits with the company's brand and quality of work. The site that has the greatest functionality is ECG Productions. I chose this site because the way it is laid out is very simple and the format is very standard. The menu items across the top allow very easy navigation through the site. Everything is colored very well, has great contrast, and there's nothing that blends in with anything else. The aesthetic shines through with the way the site's designed, and it also gives great information about the company and shows they know exactly what they're doing when it comes to making movies or any other types of productions.